Millions of locusts swarmed the land, devouring crops, stripping trees, and leaving nothing but dust and silence. It wasn't just a freak natural disaster. According to the prophet Joel, this was a warning straight from God. Joel uses this invasion to sound the alarm. A greater day of the Lord is coming, a time of judgment more intense than anything they've seen. But God isn't just trying to scare people. He's calling them back. Return to me with all your heart, God says, not just with words or rituals, but with real repentance. And when the people turn back, God responds. He promises to restore everything the locusts destroyed. Then Joel makes a stunning prophecy. God will pour out His Spirit on everyone, men, women, young, old. The book ends with hope. God will bring justice. His people will be safe, and He will dwell among them. Joel reminds us, sometimes even devastation is mercy in disguise, calling us home.